Did you know you've been doing everyday things the hard way your entire life? Today, I'm sharing 10 genius life hacks that will save you time, money, and effort. Number 7 will blow your mind. 1. Phone speaker trick. Put your phone in a bowl or cup to instantly boost sound. No speaker needed. 2. Keep bananas fresh longer. Wrap banana stems with plastic or foil to slow down ripening. 3. Charge faster. Turn on airplane mode while charging your phone. It charges much faster. 4. Remove odor from shoes. Put dry tea bags inside your shoes overnight to absorb bad smell. 5. Perfect cold drinks fast. Wrap a wet paper towel around your drink and put it in the freezer. Cold in minutes. 6. No more tangled cables. Use a toilet paper roll or clip to organize your charging cables neatly. 7. Lazy cleaning hack. Wow moment. Put a bowl of vinegar in the microwave. Heat for 2 minutes. Wipe and it's spotless. 8. Open tight jar easily. Use a spoon to gently tap around the lid. Air enters and it opens easily. 9. Save battery life. Lower screen brightness and close background apps. Your phone lasts much longer. 10. Find lost small items. Use a sock over a vacuum to find small lost items like earrings safely. Which hack surprised you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart life hacks every week.